How to install the Cellophant bow accessory to help your bow hold. First, you're going to unscrew the screw completely. Make sure you hold the frog with your other hand so it doesn't fall to the floor. This comes out. Slide the Cellophant onto the stick. Be sure and keep this straight. Keep the wood up top. It's real easy to get this twisted up. Then you're going to put the frog back in the slot there. Back in the slot like so. And then screw the screw back. Where the elephant's trunk is, that is where your thumb goes. And so you want to make sure that his trunk is circling that place that I talked about, where your finger is going to be touching slightly on the frog and partly on the stick. If your thumb is not touching the grip, that is okay. You might have to adjust this back and forth a little bit. Your thumb goes in there for perfect thumb placement every time. And it's nice and big, making it really ergonomic for smaller hands. It's nice and squishy. Isn't that so cool? It's fun. The Cellophant works by keeping your fingers nice and rounded on the bow while keeping your thumb in the exact right spot.